All right, guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Welcome to another Technique Tuesday. This one's gonna be another salsa video for you, and we're gonna talk about how to use our arms when we're dancing by ourselves, okay? So, if you think about what you would do when you would walk down the street, typically we're gonna swing our arms when we're walking, and then if you run or jog typically, you're gonna just bend the elbows a little bit and they're just gonna swing and move kind of naturally. So we wanna sort of mimic this feeling. So once you got this feeling, you can go ahead and stop running. So what we wanna do is have what I call a soft fist. So we don't wanna have floppy arms because then it looks like a T-Rex arms. So we just wanna flip them and have a soft fist. The elbows are gonna be bent. You're gonna allow them to move a little bit. They can go out to the side like this. So if you think like holding a baby, right? But then not quite so like this, more like a combination of holding a baby and then also jogging down the street, right? So we have just flexibility in the elbows. So with our basic movement, if you just take steps in place, we're gonna use the same elbow as feet, okay? So when I step out to the right, my right elbow comes out and then the other one comes in, and then we simply switch to the left every time I take a step. So this is kind of the formula. So it's a little bit different than natural life, right? Because normally we would do opposition, right? When we walk forward on our right foot, we're gonna have our left foot forward. In salsa or other kind of Latin dancing, we do the same arm as leg, okay? But this is a good way to start practicing that. I'll go from the side, same thing, just marching in place like your merengue steps, right? Awesome. And then we're just gonna start applying that to our salsa basic. A good place to start is actually the side basic. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start by just mirroring you. So you're gonna start with your right leg out to the side. Just reminding you of the step. We go out on the right, shift back, close and switch. Out on the left, shift back, close and switch. You got it. So now with the arm, we go out with the right, left and switch and reverse. Left, right and switch. You can see the elbows working in the same way that my body is. So when I'm shifting out, my elbows do the same. And this is how we get a quite natural kind of feeling. It's working with our body, not against us. And then of course, when you get later into the hips and stuff, that's a whole nother thing. But this is just about our arms today. Good. Yes, exactly. So now if we wanted to try this in our forward and back basic, it's a little bit less natural since the lateral movement is no more. So when we go back, our right arm comes out, forward left, we switch with the right arm. Then we go left, switch right, switch left. I'm gonna show you just from the back. So I'm starting from the ladies back basic. So we all go out with the right arm, left arm forward, switch weight, and then as we go forward on the left elbow comes out, right elbow and switch. So it's always gonna be slightly moving and kind of breathing. Same thing with our weight changes. It wants to kind of match that feeling. So we can apply this in every salsa move that we have, which is nice. And it kind of works throughout everything, which is great. So that's your basic solo salsa arm styling. So be sure to start here and then later you can get crazy with it. Add more arms, of course, depending on the step, but this is gonna be your basic solo arm styling, ladies. Enjoy.